Hello everyone, I'm Chaselyn Rodriguez bringing you your local weather with Time Warner Cable. A cold front extending all the way towards the east, heading towards the Ohio Valley. This system bringing a possibility of severe thunderstorms extending towards the south, towards the Tennessee Valley by the beginning of the work week, bringing a possibility of severe thunderstorms. In the meantime, towards the northwest, temperatures over the 100-degree mark within the next few days. Towards our area, there are two systems. There's a cold front pushing towards the south, bringing us a possibility of showers and thunderstorms. However, conditions will be improving overnight, and then again on Monday another cold front pushing towards the south, bringing us a possibility of showers and thunderstorms and a possibility of heavy rain around our area. We are expecting drier conditions starting Tuesday. Temperatures around the average for this time of year, much cooler than yesterday. Towards the north in the mid-70s, hitting the almost the 100-degree mark towards the south of us. And on Monday, a decrease in temperatures slightly below the average for this time of year. And temperatures will be getting a little bit cooler, hitting the 70-degree mark, 10 to 15 degrees below the average for this time of year, starting Tuesday into Thursday. Sunday, temperatures from the mid-80s around our area with a possibility of showers and thunderstorms today. Those winds coming in from the north-northeast. And tonight, conditions will be improving around our area, winds from the north.